Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from SYNNEX. And let me tell you, it's not just another boring document. We're going to find out what's really going on with their money and plans. It's like reading tea leaves but with spreadsheets. This report talks about an investor day, so maybe they're trying to get more people to invest. Let's see if it's worth it. This report is called an 8K. Companies use these to tell everyone about important things that happened, kind of like a company announcement. The date on this report is April 10, 2025, so this is fresh news. SYNNEX is the company we're looking at today. They're a big player. Their headquarters are in Fremont, California. If you want to invest in this company, you can buy their stock on the New York Stock Exchange. Their stock symbol is SYNNEX. This report is about something that happened. It is regarding the company's 2025 Investor Day. They issued a press release about it. It's like when a company wants to show off its plans to investors, analysts, and anyone else interested. The actual press release is attached as an exhibit. It's like extra information. That's where we'll find more details about the Investor Day. Let's dig in. Someone official at SYNNEX signed this report. It was signed by Marshall W. Witt, who is the Chief Financial Officer. It's important to know who's responsible for this information. So what's the story here? SYNNEX had an investor day. Investor days are when companies try to convince investors that they're doing great and that their stock is worth buying. They usually talk about their plans for the future and how they're going to make money. They're trying to get everyone excited about their company. Let's be real, investor days can be a bit of a show. Companies want to look good, so they might not always tell you everything. It's up to us to figure out what's really going on. Now, based on this report alone, it's hard to tell exactly what was said at the investor day because we are only given the press release. We need to look at that press release to see what SYNNEX is trying to sell. Unfortunately, it's not included in line in this document, so we don't have the full picture here. Let's put this all together. SYNNEX had an investor day to get people excited about their company. It's a chance for them to brag about their accomplishments and future plans. But like with any sales pitch, you need to take it with a grain of salt. So is SYNNEX a good investment? It's really hard to say just from this report. It's like trying to judge a book by its cover. We need to do more research to get the real story. We'd have to look at their financial statements, see what analysts are saying, and understand the industry they're in. And what's my take on SYNNEX? Well, they're a big company in the tech distribution business, which can be a good place to be. Everyone needs tech, and they help get it to them. They've been around for a while, so they know what they're doing. But the tech world is always changing. They need to keep up with the latest trends and not get left behind. There are also a lot of competitors, so they need to be smart about how they run their business. One thing that worries me is the general economic climate. If businesses start cutting back on spending, companies like SYNNEX could feel the pinch. They need to be prepared for tough times and have a plan to deal with them. On the other hand, there are also opportunities for them. The world is becoming more digital and businesses need help with their tech. If SYNNEX can provide the right solutions, they can grow their business and make more money. They could also look at new markets or new types of products to sell. Overall, SYNNEX seems like a solid company with potential, but they also face challenges. They need to be smart, adaptable, and prepared for anything. I'd say they're worth watching, but do your homework before you invest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate reports. What companies do you want us to decode next? Let us know in the comments.